Morning everybody, Tony here at KneeHigh Farms. Hope you're all doing well today. In today's series of videos, you're going to be watching me winterize the chicken coop. I alluded to this on our last video that with winter coming, we wanted to winterize some different areas here on the homestead. Chicken coop is notorious for having a lot of mud and just a lot of muck. So today you're going to watch me take some stuff out, bring some rock in, kind of level out the area, and just to kind of winterize it so when we do get all that rain coming here in the next several months, it won't be such a mud puddle. So hope you enjoy my hard labors and thanks for watching. everybody, as you can see, I have several mounds of gravel here that I've brought into the coop, and I got my helpers over there. Maybe they're making my job worse, I don't know, but I have a lot of gravel in here, and so I'm gonna take a little break because it's hot today and I'm sweating, need water, I'm just old, so I need to take a break. But the next phase you're going to see is I'm going to start spreading this gravel out, and hopefully I brought enough in here to give it a good enough cover where the winter rains and fall rains won't cause a mud puddle here. So anyways, that's what I've been up to for the last couple of hours. So the next set of videos will be me spreading this stuff and finalizing this project. Talk to you soon. These birds are not helping my cause. They're picking up when I'm spreading. So this is a one-time deal. I'm not doing it again. You want to live in filth and squalor? Knock yourselves out. Okay, so I'm done pretty much. I went ahead and I gravelled this whole half of the chicken coop, which is where they spend a lot of their time eating and drinking and just whatever else chickens do. So the part I want to gravel is complete. I probably will add 1 or 2 or 3 more buckets of gravel as time goes on, just to kind of cover any mud spots that may develop. But in the meantime, I think it's good to go. So I'll get you a little closer look on my final project, final result, and then we'll move on from there. Hi, Rosie chicken. Hey, Rosie bud. You like your nice graveled yard? Now remember, this was all dirt and very little rock. So, fresh coat of rock. I mean, I could probably put 5 or 10 yards worth of rock in here, but you know, I don't want to waste the rock for some other things we may need, like potholes and stuff. Looks like I missed a spot over there, but anyways, it is mostly graveled. And so we will press on. I wanted to give you a quick update on the trench that was in the last video. I'm pretty much done with the manual labor part of it. As you will see, I can't really go any deeper with the tools I have. They're just not strong enough to cut through that compact gravel and rock. But I think I have it deep enough to where it'll divert the water away from my house and down the driveway. So just a quick-see look here and then we'll sign off. How about a quick little view of the homestead while we're at it? The sunset glistening on the horse barn up top. It's gonna get you a nice little sunset view here. Sunset at KneeHigh Farms. 7:15 at night on Thursday, September the 2nd. Can you believe we're in September already? It's gorgeous here. So in the next videos, I just wanted to let you guys know we're going to be doing some special things. Kind of going to go off the usual video pattern here of showing us working in animals. Although I won't say animals entirely. We are going to have a special video on our Kiki Cole, who had a little bit of a medical scare earlier this year, but he's doing awesome right now, and we're going to do a little compilation video on him coming up here in the next few weeks to a month. But also with Halloween around the corner and holiday season in general, we're going to bring you a couple little fun videos just to kind of get you in the spirit of the holidays. So stay tuned for those, and as always, thanks for watching.